In some situations, we want to test array elements according to a certain condition. So here is our shopping list again. And let's check if any of the items in the list have quantity equal to 0. We can use SUM method like this. Let is any 0 equals shopping list SUM item where item quantity equals 0. And the result is true. The SUM method returns true if any element in the array passes the provided condition. We could also check if all items have a quantity greater than 0 using the every method like this. Let all greater than 0 equals shopping list every item where item quantity is greater than 0. And the result is false. In this case, the every method will return true if all elements in the array pass the provided condition, so if every item quantity is greater than 0. Let's filter items with quantity bigger than 0. Let filtered list equals shopping list filter item where item quantity is greater than 0. And now if we test the array elements again, SUM returns false and every returns true, so opposite of what it was before. Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. Let's declare the array with numbers. So let numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we can check if any number is greater than 3, like this. Any number greater than 3 equals numbers SUM number where number greater than 3. And the result is true. To check if all numbers are less than 6, all less than 6 equals numbers every number where number is less than 6, and the result is true. Now, let's declare the array of people. So let people equals array of objects, name Mark, age 21, name Lucy, age 16, and name John, age 17. And let's check if any person is under 18 like this. Any under 18 equals people SUM person where person age is less than 18. And the result is true. Finally, we can check if all people are over 15, like so. All over 15 equals people every person where person age is over 15. And this is also true.